Hi there, today I'll show you guys how to make chekhucbach Vietnamese milk jelly dessert. And now we make the first batch of jelly, the white one, the milky flavor. You guys need to prepare at least 5 hours in advance. First, we need to add 7 grams gelatin into ramen king. Put 50 ml milk into ramen king. You guys need to shake for 15 minutes until gelatin blooms and turns soft. Next, we put the mixture in hot water. Stir well until gelatin dissolves completely. It's the heat that melts gelatin. You guys make sure gelatin doesn't stick to the bottom. Turn up the heat, remove the heat. And then add 100 ml whipping cream. $50 milk. 20 grams sugar. More sugar or less sugar is up to your taste. Stir well until sugar dissolves completely. Pour the mixture into mold. We have the milky jelly. Let cool then chill until the jelly is set. And next, make matcha jelly. Prepare at least 5 hours in advance. Add 2 grams matcha powder or 1 teaspoon and add 15 ml hot water. Stir well to have tea dissolved. Add 50 milk to matcha mixture. Stir again. And then 7 grams gelatin. Remember, short 15 minutes for gelatin has bloomed. Put gelatin and milk in hot water. Stir well until gelatin dissolves completely. Pour into the bowl. Like milky jelly, we need to add cream, milk, sugar, mix well all ingredients. Stir well until sugar dissolves. And now pour into mold. We have the matcha jelly. Let's cool then chill until the jelly is set. And now we need to make sugar syrup. Prepare at least 3 hours in advance. Pour 1 liter water. 90 grams drop sugar, 3 pandan leaf, 1 water boil sugar melt completely, remove from heat, let cool down, then chill in the fridge. And now prepare some topping like jelly, lychee, and almonds. Take the jelly out of the mold, cut jelly into small cubes. Yeah, here we go. This is our jellies, Matcha Jelly and Milky Jelly. And now we need to toss almond slice on the medium heat. Stir gently to not break the almonds. Cooking the pandan leaf in the water gives a strong flavor, but the leaf will make the water turn slightly green. I use some canned lychee, get the flesh, save the water in the can. Add some 1, 2 or 3 ladles lychee water to sugar syrup. This have enhanced sugar syrup more flavor. Finally, all are ready. And now we add into bowl the jellies, Milky Jelly, Matcha Jelly, lychees. Fill the bowl with the cold sugar syrup. Finish it with the crunchy almond slice. Yeah, well done. Enjoy. Thank you for watching.